पृथ्वी न्यूज. नवा ध्यास नवे पर्व.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
It is often said that true leaders inspire others not merely through words but through their beginning seeks the blessings of goddess of wisdom, knowledge and practicing in Quran. He is the lead practitioner at the numbers in the diagnosis and management of a wide range of skin diseases as well as aesthetic and a flower made faith but respect and gratitude.
The sun beats through the branches, the breeze so sweet. Every leaf and every flower makes this world complete. Keep clapping and embrace them. Of the trees, the beauty of our forest, it's a song we all believe. With every step we take, with every ball we run, we protect our land together. We'll keep it safe and whole.
Have you ever stopped to listen to the world around us? The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds and the splashing of rain? Nature is always talking to us, but right now our beautiful earth is crying for help. Every day we see plastic trash thrown on our streets and read about forests being cut down. Also, seas and oceans are being polluted. As plants and animals cannot speak human words, they cannot tell us when they are hurt. So, I will speak for them. Nature gives us everything for free. The clean air we breathe, the water we drink, and the flowers we love to look at. But we are taking too much and giving back too little. The good news is that we don't have to be grown-ups to make a difference. Even as fourth graders, we have superpowers. We can make a difference by doing small things every day. Say no to plastic bags and use a cloth bag. Turn off the taps while brushing so we can save water. Plant a small seed and watch it grow. If we take care of nature, nature will take care of us. Remember, we don't inherit the earth from our parents. We borrow it from the future generations. We are not the generation that saves. We are not the generation that destroys the earth. We are the one that saves it. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
I am your nature reporter, and today we are about to embark on an exciting journey into the wonders of natural world. The lush green trees, beautiful flowers, colorful insects, and dense forest around us play a vital role of sustaining life on Earth. Let us explore the fascinating secrets of nature and learn why it is our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. Welcome to Green Guardians, the living documentary. Understand nature, protect nature, save our planet. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. I am wildlife narrator. In the nature, butterflies, bees, ants, and countless other insects play a vital role to the maintaining the balance of our life. Butterflies add beauty to flowers. Bees help to create a new plant. Through the pollination, every living creature is an important link in a chain of life. Let us explore the fascinating world of insects and discover every living being in our ecosystem. After all, every creature matters, and it is because of this amazing living organism. If and the earth is so beautiful and diverse. Thank you. Tagline: every living creature is a nature friend. Protecting is our responsibility.
I am a caterpillar, wiggle with me. I am a caterpillar, wiggle with me. I am a Christian, sleep like me. I am a Christian, sleep like me. A butterfly come, fly with me. A butterfly come, fly with me. This is the life of a butterfly. Sing with me. This is the life of a butterfly. Sing with me. Hello everyone, I am a beautiful butterfly. I started my life as a tiny egg, then became a caterpillar. Then after resting in cocoon, I transformed into a beautiful and colorful butterfly. My presence supports biodiversity and signals a balanced, thriving environment. I teach everyone that with patience and hard work, wonderful changes can happen. Thank you. Happy morning, respected teachers. Morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Avyam Kardamle. Today I am going to talk about honeybees. Honeybees are small flying insects. Honeybees fly flower to flower to collect honey. They live in hives. They have 4 in total. Honeybees work very hard. Honeybees make honey. They have very good sensitivity of communication. Honeybees can sting while they feel danger. I like honeybee because they make sweet honey. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. I am a field scientist. Nature is a vast living laboratory where every tree, flower, insects and animals plays an important role. Trees provide us with oxygen through photosynthesis.
Flowers attract insects for pollination and other living organisms in the food chain depends on another for survival. It is this interdependence that helps maintain the life balance on Earth. Let us explore the wonders of nature science and take a place to protect and preserve our environment for future generations. Understand nature, explore science, and protect our planet. Thank you.
My dear children, I am Mother Nature, the earth that nurtures and sustains you. I have given you clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, nutritious food to eat, and beautiful forests filled with life. However, today my forests are disappearing, my rivers are becoming polluted, and many living beings are losing their homes. I do not ask for a grand gift from you. All I ask is plant a tree, save water, reduce waste, and show kindness to every living being. Remember, if you protect nature, nature will protect you. Let us take a place today to become true green guardians and work together to make our planet greener, healthier, and safer for the future generations. I am Mother Nature. The small actions you will take today will create a brighter, greener tomorrow. Plant trees, save the earth, protect nature, secure the future. Thank you.
The student of 4th Koina presenting skit on Protect Nature, Protect Our Future, the secret principle of plants and insects. Welcome to the kingdom of green. Today, plants are worried because their insect friends have disappeared. Oh dear, my colorful flowers are blooming, but no insects are visiting. How I will make fruits and seeds? I will give you sunlight. I help to spread pollen sometimes, but I still need my special insect friend. Don't worry, Flower Queen, I am here. And I travel from flower to flower carrying pollen. Thank you. Because of you, I can produce fruits and seeds. And we get a sweet nectar in return. It's a win-win friendship. Scene 3. Nature's teamwork. I may be small, but I carry seeds to new places. Whenever new plants grow, I drop them. I protect plants by eating harmful insects like aphids. Wow, you're my bodyguard. Exactly. Every hero doesn't wear a cap. Scene 4. Caterpillar transformation. People always say I eat only leaves. That's true sometimes. But wait, watch this magic. Now I help flowers by pollinating them. Scene 5. What if insect disappeared? No pollination, no fruits and no seeds. Without insect, crop production will decrease. Many plants cannot reproduce. Scene 6. The nature promise. We must avoid harming useful insects. Plant more trees. Keep garden clean and green. Reduce unnecessary pesticides. Protect our home. Plants give us food and oxygen. Insects help plants to reproduce. Together they keep nature alive.
Nature fills the world with colors beyond imagination. Welcome our beautiful blossoms, rose, calendula and chrysanthemum. Symbols of purity and grace. Here comes the elegance, lotus and the charming lily, blooming with timeless beauty. life. Hillmower marigold add warmth and color to Mother Nature canvas. Children, keep clapping and keep encouraging them. Tiny creatures with mighty roles. Please welcome the hardworking honeybee and the delightful ladybird, nature's little heroes. Every part of a plant plays a vital role in sustaining life. Let's applaud these essential building blocks of nature. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its unique blossoms, presenting the graceful, elegant Kachnar. Standing tall with strength and generosity, here comes the majestic banyan tree, evergreen. One spruce to deep through colorful wings and other teaches teamwork through tireless effort. Welcome the butterfly and the ant. Every creature, big or small, has its own place in its nature's grand design. Let's welcome these fascinating members of insect family. Witness the miracles that sustain life on Earth. The incredible process of photosynthesis where sunlight transforms into life. Here comes our two more members of insect world. The flower's beauty lies for hopping high to transforming beautifully. Welcome the energetic grasshopper and the fascinating caterpillar. The flower's beauty lies in the perfect harmony of its parts, presenting the corolla, calyx, and roscium and gynoecium, the heart of every flower.
Respected guests of today, Vice Principal, all respected parents, their teachers and students. First of all, I would like to congratulate the kids of 4th standard and the other classes that they are thinking for the nature. If you see the today's thing is very values. So they are thinking for the nature. And of course, when the education is made in this way, they will understand it more. You must have seen through the act or through the dances that how they care, how they understand about the nature. What is the role of every creature in the environment? Every creature in the environment is very, very important. Sometimes we see a caterpillar that it is eating the leaves, but later on when it becomes a beautiful butterfly, what we see that butterfly will be responsible for pollination, and you can say that the pollination, when it takes place, the new seeds at new places they can be grown. So the study is made easy in this way. This is the speciality of ODAR. ODAR teaches the same curriculum but in a different way, and that's why you can see the confidence level of each child at this age is very strong. Very rightly, Dr. Vipul had stated the importance of teachers in the school, and I'm thankful, sir, that you are connected with the school and you are observing the school very minutely. Whenever we had the discussion, sir used to say about many of the things. He used to tell that these things are there, which is going right. And of course, the support of the parent, it is to us that gives us the encouragement to do well in this field. Of course, as I said that, as it is rightly said that yet other speeches are there, they are there. But because of certain pre-assignment, I had to move. Please be there throughout the program, encourage the students, and of course, they are in safe hands. You have shown the trust, keep the trust with us, the same trust with us, and surely they will grow from the caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly in the future. That is the vision of the Podar. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
As today's theme is Green Guardians, it's very satisfying to see the way principal sir and all the teachers make students improve their awareness towards the nature, how to protect the nature, and there is our responsibility towards the nature to protect. As today we can see, because of global, I would like to thank respected principal sir and vice principal ma'am. And I want to start by saying how truly honored I am today to be invited as a guest. As a parent, I have always admired the dedication and efforts of principal sir, vice principal ma'am, and all the support staff of Podar in the school, Karhat, into making this school as a second home of our children. We can see how it affects negatively to the nature, reducing the amount of rain, increasing the extent of heat and everything. Considering these factors, it's very satisfying to see how our teachers make our students aware that it's our responsibility and duty to protect our nature, to save our future generations. Again, I would like to thank Principal Sir and all the staff for inviting me as a guest. I wish them very good luck for the development of school and as far as mental, social and spiritual as well as academic improvement of the students. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
I am an American pioneering astronaut and the first human to walk on the moon and a formal naval avatar, test pilot and aerospace engineer. I commanded the Apollo 11 mission, permanently altering the course of space exploration and human history. Thank you.
Kohli. I born in Delhi. I played cricket in the streets of Delhi. One day my father saw me playing cricket. They said me to go to a cricket academy. The first day of my academy, the ball was very fast and my reflex was very slow. One day there was a selection of the state level. In that match I scored 110 in 67 balls. The next day I scored 30 in 12 balls. Then the selector selected me for Ranji Trophy. In Ranji Trophy I scored 97 runs. So selectors selected me in IPL. In IPL I played for I play for RCB. After good performance in RCB team, my selection was in Indian team. So today I am known as Run Machine, Chase Master and King Kohli. My jersey number is
a jersey. I was born in Moga, Punjab, and from a young age I loved playing cricket. At a time when cricket was mostly considered a sport for boys, I dared to dream differently. My family supported me. My journey was not always easy. There were challenges, sacrifices, and moments when success seemed far away. But I never gave up. Since childhood, I dreamed of playing cricket for India. Through hard work, dedication, and perseverance, I got the opportunity to represent my country. As a captain, I always encourage my teammates not to give up and give their best. Cricket has taught me discipline, teamwork, and confidence. My message to all of you is to follow your passion and never give up on your dreams. Thank you.
I'm Frida Cahola. I was born in Mexico, 1907. I love paintings and I was known for colorful self-portraits and creative paintings. When I was young, I loved drawing and learning new things. But after a serious accident, I spent many months resting at home. During those months, I began painting and I discovered my passion for art. I began painting my dreams, my expressions, my feelings. Many people over the world admires my painting. My painting also celebrates the culture and tradition of Mexico. Even though I had many challenges in life, I never gave up. My message to all of you is to believe in yourself, be creative, and always be supportive. Thank you.
An Indian billionaire entrepreneur, Kiran Muzumdar Shah. I am the CEO and founder of Biocon Limited, a biotechnology company based in Bengaluru and former chairperson of IIM Bengaluru. In 2014, I was awarded the Atmar Gold Medal for outstanding contributions to progress of science. I was on the Financial Times 2011 Top 50 Women's Business list. I was named Ernst & Young World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. Thank you. I am Rani Lakshmibai, the legendary queen of Jhansi. I was born on 19 November 1828 as Manakarnika in Varanasi. I was highly skilled in martial arts such as fencing and horse riding. I married Rajgangadhar Rao of Jhansi and I became an enduring symbol of courage and woman empowerment. I bravely fight with British in 1858 and to protect my kingdom and be an important woman of Indian nationalism. Thank you. I am Rajmata Jidau, mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. I did not carry a sword, but I shot the knife that did. When your land was in darkness, I lit a fire in the heart of my son. Every night, I filled his ear with a story of courage and justice. Every day, I show him what meant to stand tall. People have forgotten how freedom feels like, but I never let my son forgot. I whispered the dream of Swarajya into his ears. Before even he knew the word. I raised him not just with love, but with truth, with a fire, with a purpose. The world builds statue of Shivaji, but I build Shivaji. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji, Har Har Mahadev. Hello, I am Vaibhav Suryavanshi, a young Indian cricket player who has taken the sporting world by storm. I was born on 27th March 2011 in Bihar. I was introduced to cricket by my father at just age of 4. I am left-handed opening batsman known for my incredible power hitting and fearless approach on the field. In January 2024, at just 12 years old, I made my first class debut history for Bihar in the Ranji Trophy. becoming one of the youngest player in the modern history to do so. Thank you. When I was young, I dreamed that to make a difference in people's life. For that purpose, I spent some time as a monk and learned some life lessons. I discovered that happiness comes from serving others. I later became a broadcaster, author and a speaker. I also say that do not let anyone opinion on your reality. My words help people find peace, confidence and purpose. Like a lighthouse guiding ships from darkness, I guide people to a meaningful life. Thank you and remember that your mind is your greatest power. Hello everyone, I am Raj Shamani. As a young boy, I watched my family work hard for our business. That taught me the value of perseverance. I started my journey as an entrepreneur and later became an podcaster. My podcast allows me to learn from the successful people and share their stories with millions. As I often say, your network is your net worth. Through conversations, I help people turn their ideas into thoughts, and my voice became the bridge connecting knowledge and dreams. Like a microphone amplifies sound, I amplify the inspiring stories. Thank you and remember, your thoughts can change your future.
I am Sunita Williams. As a child, I look at stars and wonder what lies behind them. My curiosity became a fuel for my journey. I do hard work, I studied science and joined space program. I had an honor for living and working in the space. From space, I saw Earth, one beautiful home without borders. I completed my space work and inspired my young dreams around the world. I believe in dream big and don't stop exploring. Like a rocket reaching up for the sky, I pushed beyond limits to achieve my goals. Thank you, and remember, the space is not just a limit, it is a beginning.
First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our respected principal Anvay Chikate for his constant encouragement, guidance, support in making this event a grand success. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected Vice Principal Swati Nangre for her valuable assistance and motivation throughout the planning and execution of this program. A special note of gratitude goes to our esteemed guest, Dr. Vipul Jadhav, for sparing his valuable time with us today and for sharing his inspiring thoughts. Your presence truly enriched this occasion. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Mr. Vishal Jadhav for his efficient coordination, management and support provided behind the scenes. I would like to thank all our dear parents for their continuous support, enthusiastic participation, cooperation. Your encouragement plays a vital role in growth and development of children. My sincere appreciation goes to all teachers for their dedication, hard work and creativity in guiding the students and preparing them for this today's preparation and program. A big round of applause for our wonderful students who showcase their talents, confidence and knowledge so beautifully. You have made us all proud with your efforts and enthusiasm. Finally, I thank everyone present over here, making this event memorable and meaningful. Together, let us continue to nurture curiosity. Thank you